Hello, and welcome to another update video on Link. Link remains caught in this sideways consolidation pattern, and unfortunately I haven't got any significant confirmation for a low in place. Some coins are moving a little bit more aggressively at the moment, like for example Ethereum, well, a little bit, or Solana, or even Virtual, but Link is kind of in hibernation. Continues to just move sideways in this triangle, seems completely frozen and shocked since the 10th of October crash. We then had this recovery. The recovery looked more substantial on the Binance chart, because on the Binance chart the low was around 850, I think. I marked that on the larger time frame. Here on the shorter time frame, I'm using the Coinbase chart just because structures are a little bit clearer. And on the shorter time frame, we have a 3-wave move up from that 10th of October low to the upside, yeah. And then this could be classed as a wave 1, and then we had a wave 2 to the downside. Yeah, basically a 1-2 setup and an A-B setup in the yellow scenario. That would be the bullish version of it, but it has to be a diagonal pattern. There is nothing impulsive about this, right? There is nothing impulsive about it, which is the concern. So, okay, yellow scenario is valid, is plausible. You know, we can watch for higher prices, but below $16.40, probabilities start to shift towards the blue scenario. At the moment, I can only say that the blue count for one more low is likely, is very likely. I can't necessarily say it's more likely, because we're moving in a triangle, and there is not an impulse down, there is not an impulse up. Everything is moving just, you know, back to back in corrective structures. So I think we just have to be a bit flexible here, and just, it might just need a catalyst. Okay, and today's CPI data is coming out in, I think, around about 40 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes. So when you watch the video, maybe we already had a bit of a move. Sometimes these events help to get the market finally moving, yeah, and to lead to a break of support or resistance. And so the nearest resistance area I can offer is this blue trend line. I'd say it's weak resistance, but it's still meaningful in the very short term, at least at around 1860. Then 1968 is Fibonacci resistance. That would involve a break above the Monday high, and obviously a Fibonacci resistance level. But the more meaningful objective for the bulls is a break above $22. This is the yellow trend line here. And to be honest, we also need to get a break above $22.70. So it's a decisive break above the $22 area that is needed to clearly shift the focus to higher prices. At the moment, we're only moving sideways without any clear directional focus, really. Yeah, but that's exactly what triangles are for. I mean, I'm not tracking an Elliott wave triangle, even though it could be one, but in the end it wouldn't make a great difference. But because, you know, in the end a triangle could lead to another low that's covered by the blue scenario anyway, right? Just an example, for example, yeah. Just the X wave could be a triangle, for example. But as I said yesterday, I can give you like 10 wave counts. I mean, there's no point discussing about wave counts here from an academic point of view. What really matters is what are the levels, right? And so I think we know them. We know that we're not moving in an impulse. We have to be cautious, waiting for a breakout here. Breakout levels should be clear as well. So let's see if CPI can lead the way and be a catalyst. I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then also check out our second channel, MCO Global Commodities, or Equities and Commodities, where we cover stocks, we cover gold, silver. Today I uploaded a video already about silver. I think yesterday was gold. So check it out if you're interested. These charts are here and there more interesting than crypto at the moment, at least. That might change at some point. I'm sure it will. But check it out. I'll leave a link for you guys in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.